Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Sharkcleaner app not working, stuck on a loading screen. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first step is restart the app. On iOS, how to restart that? First of all, close the app. How to close this? Double click on the home button and swipe up on the Sharkcleaner app to close it. Okay, and then reopen the app. Tap on the Sharkcleaner app to reopen it. And in Android, access the recent app. Tap on the recent app button to see recent app. Okay, and then close the app. Swipe the Shark Cleaner app off the screen or tap the X icon to close it. Okay, and relaunch the app. Tap the Shark Cleaner app to relaunch it. Okay. So guys, our second step is restart the Shark Robot Vacuum. Hold the power button until it turn off and pause the few seconds and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Okay. And third step is check the Wi-Fi network name and password. Avoid a special character like minus and dot in the network name. Disable the password and connect through the app. Then re-enable it once connected. And connect the robot vacuum to dedicate 2.4 GHz network as a Shark vacuum only support 2.4 GHz. Okay. And then update the Sharkcleaner app. On iOS, launch the App Store on your iOS device. Use the search bar to find the Sharkcleaner app. Tap on your profile icon, scroll down to see if the Sharkcleaner app has updated. Okay, if an updated is available, tap into the update and next to Sharkcleaner app. In Android, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Use the search function to find the Sharkcleaner app. Tap on the three line and select my app and game to see if the Shark Cleaner app has updated. Okay, if update is available, tap into the update next to the Shark Cleaner app. Okay, so guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.